34 Alpha Bravo 01.
34 Alpha Bravo 01, 9 Oscar Charlie 965 Ontario call.
9 Oscar Charlie.
965 Ontario, Canada, 50 miles north of Toronto, QSL.
Okay, 9 Oscar Charlie 965 34 Alpha Bravo 01. 5x7 5x8 QSL.
You're coming 5x7 at 8 S units in my receive. You've got operator Cliff, Charlie, Lima, India, Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
Repeat your name, Cliff. Repeat that, please.
My name is Cliff, Charlie, Lima, India, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, QSL.
Hey Cliff, my name is Santi, Sierra Alpha November Tango India. Santi from Canary Island, Tenerife Island, yes sir.
Roger, Santi in the Canary Islands, QSL. My working conditions is an Anytone Quad 5 N2 with an Antron 99 antenna, and I'm running 150 watts, QSL.
Okay, QSL Cliff. My working connection cubical watt antenna to element on the radio Yaesu A91 QSL.
Roger on your working conditions, Santi. Today in South Central Ontario, it's about 3 degrees Celsius and partly sunny. It's currently 4 o'clock p.m. QSL.
Okay, QSL Cliff. The local time 1955 automatic. The temperature 11 degrees Celsius QSL.
QSL. Thank you for the QSO, Santi. It's a pleasure talking to you. It's my first QSO in the Canary Islands. 73s from 9 Oscar Charlie 965 Ontario.
Okay, thank you Cliff for the contact. All the best, my friend. 9 Oscar Charlie 965 34 Alpha Bravo 01. All the best, Cliff. Gracias, thank you.
The same to you, Santi. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.